Hello students. So welcome to this particular announcement video students. Students, this is for the upcoming batch which is for the May 21 and also for November 21 for direct and indirect tax particular subject as well. Students, now in the Unacademy platform I will be coming live for my direct tax paper for May 21 attempt, and Tarun Raj sir, he would be coming for the IDT live batch for his English for his IDT subject for May 21, and even the November 21 attempt students can take the benefit of it. Students, one thing I should tell you that now at Unacademy they are now conducting inter CA and final CA batches for May 21, November 21 with all the top educators, CA educators in India. So you should take the benefit of this one live batch, and if at all you cannot take up this particular live batch, you can also view this lecture students in an offline mode. Although we do promote the fact that the students should attend the live batch for the only reason that there could be a real-time interaction. But nevertheless, you cannot attend the live lecture, not an issue. You can view the lecture later on as well. Secondly, students, for the period for which you are doing the subscription, you can go for n number of views. There is no limit on your view time. You can repeat the lectures if you want for that particular period for which you have taken the subscription. And students, primarily you will also have a lot of mock test series, 1000 hours of free live content which would be delivered through the special classes, which will be delivered through certain the YouTube lectures at Unacademy platform. So there are way things to be considered as far as your course is concerned, students. Coming on the direct tax part, particularly for the my subject which I am going to start, student, November 20 attempt has just went by, old and the new course both. Old course students, people were saying that it was relatively easy. New course students were looking at the fact that they were 50-50 was the scenario. One thing I do maintain, students, that the preparation that you should do should always be for the tough attempt. Preparation that you should do always which should be for the tough attempt. And at least in these kind of a difficult times, it becomes more so critical that you prepare the paper for a tough examination. Prepare yourself for a tough examination. And that is precisely what my batch would all be. I will be doing, students, in 180 hours a comprehensive coverage of your direct tax paper, which starts from 18th of December. I'll start from 18th of December. In 180 hours, my live lecture timing, students, would be from 7 p.m. in the evening to 9 p.m. So therefore, from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., you can view this direct tax lecture live. And as I told you, if there is any reason for which you want to do an offline way, you can just do the same. Students, what is that I'm going to cover? Focus definitely would be on the concept. Focus definitely would be on the interlinking of the provision, which always has been our USP, and more importantly, the practical problem solving. Lot of amendments, students, have happened in this particular 2020, applicable for May 21 and November 21 attempt. And primarily because of the heaviness of the amendment, students, it is more important that we do a complete justice towards those particular topics which are now heavily amended. So don't take any chances, students, like you have been primarily like from the past students also. You can vouch for the kind of the high quality level of the content that we all deliver in our lectures. So that is the same thing which we are going to deal with it. Again, I'm repeating, students, as far as the Unacademy platform is concerned, one thing, students, for the period for which you will take the subscription, there will not be any limit for the number of views. So that is one thing which you just will always have an advantage. And as I've told you, you will always have the benefit of what? The live content and that free test series and the examinations that would be conducted in the due course. Inter CA and the final CA platform now, students, Unacademy would be doing it with the leading educators for the CA curriculum in India. do take the benefit of the same, students. And I can tell you, with the subscription model is so exciting that at a very less price you can cover up more subjects. That is one of the beauty of this particular subscription model, students. So therefore, grab this particular opportunity that is up in front of you, and with the kind of a quality educators, definitely there is no reason why you should not opt for the same. See you soon, students. My lecture starts on 18th of December, and Tarun Raj sir lecture starts on 14th of December 2020. His timing, students, I think it is in morning. He will do the live lectures in the morning. I am doing it in the evening. One more point which I just wanted to say to all of you students is that we are also having May 21 a dedicated Telegram channel for the inter as well as for the final CA students, dedicated for May 21 attempt students. So request to all of you to join that particular Telegram group, because it is focused and dedicated to that particular attempt. So whatever is the inputs, updates which is required would be delivered in that particular Telegram channel, the link of which I'm going to put it in the description box in the due course. Watch that particular space, students, and I'll see you now on the first class. For me, it will be 18th. For Tarun Raj sir, it will be 14th. See you, students. Thank you.